Welcome. In this video, you will receive a very short introduction to the essential standards that you will be designing your lessons to address. The essential standards are power standards, or they could be called building block standards, and they are essential because they are necessary for students to master in order to be successful later in the year for that same course, successful in the next grade or course level, and successful across other domains or content areas. So each essential standard to which you are designing your lessons was chosen because it will allow students to be successful later in the year, in the next grade level or course level, and or across other domains and content areas. In addition, identifying these standards is a cornerstone for ensuring equitable learning experiences that are grounded in high expectations for each and every learner, regardless of whether we are engaging in distance learning, a hybrid of distance and in-person learning, or in-person learning. These standards were drafted by a team of San Juan Unified School District classroom teachers in collaboration with the curriculum program specialists. After initial drafts were created, they went out for feedback from even more teachers in San Juan Unified before the standards were refined into this final form. The standards are located in a Google Drive folder. Inside that folder, there are 3 documents, one for the elementary grades, one for high school, and one for middle school. 6th grade is listed in both the elementary grades for our K-8 schools as well as in the middle school document. If we open one of the documents, such as the middle school document, what we find is that we have a table with the grade, or in high school, the content area, and then links to the essential standards for that grade level or for that content area. Let's check out one of the essential standards. You will find that it will tell you which grade and or subject it is. And then as you can see, some of the standards are highlighted and others are not. The highlighted standards are your essential standards. Those that are not highlighted are also part of the standards for that grade level and content area, but they did not meet the criteria we discussed earlier for essential standards. It is important to note that the highlighting colors vary from document to document. But again, the standards that are highlighted are your essential standards. In this example, there are also some highlighted in blue, which are important standards for planning or ongoing formative assessment, but are not essential standards. Again, you will access your essential standards inside the Drive folder that has all of your resources for this lesson design work. So that is located at bit.ly/capital L, capital D, lowercase folder. And inside that folder, you will find a folder for your essential standards, the slide deck for these training modules, the lesson plan template that you will be using, and a contact list of coordinators for elementary, middle, and high school to whom you can reach out for support or if you have questions. Thank you very much.